For this type of miniature wreath, you need a golden color craft wire. You can even use the normal silver color wire, and wrap it around a circular container or anything which is circular in shape. As you're wrapping it around it, make sure that you're pressing it so that it holds the shape. Now, with a golden color satin ribbon, you can make a small bow and stick it to the craft wire with the help of glue gun. Now stick a bead to the bow and your miniature wreath is ready. For this type of miniature wreath, I've used the same technique of wrapping the craft wire around a circular container, but this time I have also wrapped sutli or jute twine to the craft wire. Here as well, I have made a sutli or jute bow and just stick it to the wreath with the help of glue gun. To this bow, you can also stick a small bead so that it looks more good. I have also hung a bell to this. Decorated with some leaves and beads. And here, your second type of miniature wreath is also ready. To make this wreath, you need 2 cardboard pieces and a steel ring. If you do not have a steel ring, no need to worry. You can also use an embroidery ring. Stick the ring to the cardboard using glue gun and cut off the remaining portion. Take a piece of cloth of your choice and design. Stick this cloth to the ring with the help of glue gun. Once it is done, it will look like this. Now for the cloth to not be seen, stick another piece of cardboard. Once it's done, it will look like this. Now you can decorate the wreath as you wish. Here I have stuck jute or sutli twine in 4 to 5 rounds with the help of glue gun. It will look this way. Now decorate it with balls, bells, anything that you wish. You can stick any image as such in the middle of the wreath. Here I have used a reindeer. You can also stick bells, Santa Claus, anything. On the jute or sutli twine, I have stuck a golden streamer, which we usually use to decorate the Christmas tree. Stick it with the help of glue gun. Now to give it a glittery pearl effect, I have just made some dots on the wreath with the help of the glue gun and just sprinkled some glitter to it. Cover the wreath with this, and then afterwards you can dust off the remaining glitter. It is ready. Do try all these beautiful miniature wreaths and this wreath as well and share your views with us.